Welcome to DRC, featuring our designer removable cuffs. As with all fashions, there is a certain level of skill that is needed to utilize our signature accessory cuffs. Ask any young man who has ever tried to put on a necktie for the very first time. It can be a frustrating task to learn. However, with time and practice, it becomes natural and easy. DRCs are no exception. This video is designed to give you a quick tutorial on what will surely become your favorite fashion statement. Step 1. Lay out your dress shirt on a flat surface, front side facing down. Step 2. Start with the button from the shirt cuff and thread it through the DRC hole. Step 3. Wrap the DRC outside the remaining portion of the cuff, making sure the holes align. Step 4. Continue wrapping the DRC around the button and close the combined cuffs. Then repeat this process with the other dress shirt sleeve. Welcome to a high state of fashion.